Breaking news coming in. Victim's family in the Balia case has demanded death penalty for the accused in the Balia shootout case. Victim's family also demands action against BJP MLA Surinder Singh, who backed the main accused, Dhirender Singh. Main accused arrested after 3 days of shootout. That's the latest that is coming in. Abhishek Mishra breaking the story. He's now joining us for the very latest. But before that, listen in to what the victim's brother has to say on this.
लोग जो मुकदमे में फंसाने की बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे विधायक जी उनके तरफ से, हत्यारे के तरफ से एकदम बिल्कुल खड़े हैं। और हम लोगों को ये भी सुनने में आ रहा है कि तरह तरह के मुकदमे में फंसाना चाहते हैं। तो इसे सरकार को इस बात को लेकर और हम लोगों के सहायता के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए। जो हत्यारोपी है तो गिरफ्तार हो गया तो थोड़ी सी हम लोगों को शांति मिली है, लेकिन इसके साथ हम ये भी चाहते हैं कि उसको सख्त से सख्त सज़ा मिले, उसे फांसी की सज़ा मिले और हमारे परिवार को पूरी सुरक्षा मिले प्रशासन के द्वारा, ताकि ये हादसा फिर दोबारा ना हो। और सरकार से यही उम्मीद की जाती है कि मेरे भाई वही अपने परिवार का पालन पोषण करने वाला था, किसी तरह से मजदूरी करके करता था, तो इसलिए उसके लड़के को, किसी परिवार में एक लड़के को नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए सरकारी, और 50 लाख रुपया सहायता के तौर पर मिले ताकि जीवन यापन हो सके।
Abhishek Mishra is now joining us from Balia in UP. Abhishek, a whole host of demands have been put forth by the victim's family at the moment. One can imagine what they must be going through. Let the law of the land take its course, but as far as the other compensation from the government is concerned, what is the government's plan for action? What does the police plan to do next? And what next legally?
Well, absolutely, and in this whole case today is a very important big day as far as, the arrest of this main accused is concerned. Balia police has miserably failed in this whole case. From past 3 days, they were not able to get any clue about the accused, and it is the STF who has arrested him from Lucknow, and after some time he will be handed over to the Balia police. He will be coming here. We're expecting him to come by late evening, but it will take some time because of the procedures. But yes, indeed, the family has demanded for a compensation. They're also asking for a job, the government job, and because to aid to the family. And yes, we have seen the kind of family it is. They are indeed, belong to a section where they need this support. And as of now, from the government side, 5 lakh compensation was announced. But yes, it remains to be seen what the government will do further. But one thing is very clear, that in this whole case, from the past 3 days, the kind of claim the Balia police has made that we will arrest him, they were not able to do anything. And finally, it is the STF who has done this arrest from Lucknow. And there are so many questions that Balia police will need to answer about what are the actual lapses.
Stay with us,
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.